Google is at it again, and it has some good news and some maybe not so good news. Just depends on how you look at it. They're launching a new generative AI and rolling out a new core update. So, do me a favor and hit that like button, and let's get started. My name is Kiko, and welcome to this Wednesday episode of This Week in SEO News, brought to you by PosiRank.com. So I think we all knew that Google has been investing in AI for years, and now they're taking things to the next level by bringing generative AI to the masses with their new app builder and giving developers access to their models like Palm. Users and developers will be able to use it to write their own emails and docs and create simple articles just by putting in the topic. It's actually like having your own virtual assistant, kind of like something else we know. And if you didn't know, PALM stands for Pattern Annotated Language Model. It is a state-of-the-art language model developed by Google AI researchers designed to understand the patterns in natural language and generate coherent text. PALM is particularly useful for tasks that involve generating text, such as language translation summarization and chatbot conversations. Can you imagine what that means for SEO as a whole? The possibilities that brings. You could create personalized chatbots, generate product descriptions on the fly, or even develop custom apps for your clients. With Google's AI, the sky's the limit. Just hopefully not a net. And here comes the bad news. Google's at it again. They're rolling out their latest core algorithm update for March 2023, and it's time to buckle up. Again. I swear, waiting for these to come is like waiting for toast to pop up. It can take days or even weeks for Google's crawlers to reassess the web, so don't expect an instant hit. But don't panic just yet. Keep an eye on your site's organic search traffic and keyword rankings, as those are your bread and butter. Or if you're vegan, your kale chips and sea salt. I don't know, whatever it is. And don't forget the golden rule of creating valuable content that your target audience craves. It's like a good cup of coffee. You can't just throw any old beans and hope for the best. Remember, Google's goal with these updates is to serve up the best possible search results for users. So if you're looking to stay ahead of the game, keep churning out that valuable content and keep an eye on those numbers. So, who knows? You might just come out on top. And if not, at least you've got a good cup of coffee waiting for you. Well, my SEOs, that's all the news I have for you today. Let me know what you think about these stories in the comments down below. Do you think Google's new generative AI will be good for SEOs or just developers? How do you feel about the new core update? Are you still feeling the pain from the last one? Just let me know. Till next time, my name is Kiko. Have a great day.